DLE Café was birthed from Divine Living Essentials. We've been a health-related or orientated family for a very long time, so we kind of use this as a way to share our knowledge and kind of progress it on more of a commercial level. We always try to promote a positive environment. With our space, we like to play gospel and kind of calm, chilling music to kind of set the ambience. We do workshops sometimes, promote like healthy living to people, show them how to cook certain meals and healthy products that they can use to better their life. And we do off-site events where we take what we have here and just show it to people at different companies and businesses. Our typical customers or people who either have like health conditions or young people who go to the gym, business people who buy food that want to get benefits from and also that tastes good. We have a very expansive menu. Our ranges from over 30 smoothies. We have green fruit and meal replacement. We also have wraps, salads, we have flat pizzas, pumpkin waffles, we have protein pancakes, we have an Aki wrap as well, which is very well received. We do eggs as well, because even though we're kind of regarded as a more vegan or vegetarian place, we still offer egg and chicken. So we have used free-range egg to make omelets, scrambled egg wraps, eggs any style, things like that. We have salads, pastas, and burgers. Some of our more, I would say, unique burgers are like our black bean burger, jackfruit burger, and our wild salmon, which is very popular.
So here we have the wild salmon serenity burger. It has lettuce, salmon, onions, tomatoes, wild salmon dressing as the base, and whole wheat burger buns. Here we have the pumpkin tamarind waffles. The tamarind is the sauce that we use, as well as the cinnamon and other ingredients. Here is the strawberry silk shake. It has strawberries, banana, coconut, vanilla. This is the Jacolette smoothie. It is jackfruit, chocolate, peanut butter, protein powder, and we use some cocoa nibs to dress it, as well as coconut shred. This is the grilled veg panini. We use pepper jack cheese as our cheese, and organic. So you can change it to mozzarella or a vegan cheese if you want the vegetables but not the cheese. So you can use vegan mozzarella or any other type of vegan cheese that we offer. Out of all of these, I love the wild salmon serenity burger. It's really good.
We're working on some more gluten-free options. We're playing around with things like plantain at the moment to make like plantain waffles or pancakes. We also have a cauliflower-based flat pizza, so we're going more into gluten-free that tastes good. You can enjoy something and it gives you nutritional benefits. It doesn't have to be over-salted or MSG. And I really would love to see more people lean more into that. A lot of our baked items are made in-house, so like we make our own or treats or vegan treats. So we make like cinnamon roll, banana bread, coconut cake, carrot cake, cheesecake, whatever. We like to make that here. We make our own breads. But as it relates to a lot of our retail items, we have like a lot of trusted organic places that we buy from, and then we sell it back, because not everyone has access to it. So we're kind of doing that as another way to hopefully contribute and build awareness for it. So our wall, it's kind of like a hall of fame. So it's for our loyal customers. When they reach a certain point limit, which is based on purchases, we write their names up there. It's just based on like consistency. It's a way to kind of show thank you for coming here and, you know, appreciating our food. And we're hoping to branch out to different parishes. We are currently working on moving to Kingston and Ocho Rios. Kingston a bit first, but we want to hopefully progress into all 14 parishes and hopefully the Caribbean. And when we get the opportunity to, we'll try and go international.